Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Welcome back to Mulpura Public School online classes. Hopefully, you're fine and doing great at your home with your families. So, this lecture is for grade 4. It's your English literature lecture. I am your English teacher Anam. Our textbook is read now, and our topic is the wonderful art. We have completed reading, back exercise, words meaning, word sentences, and half person answers of this chapter. Now we will complete the remaining 5% answers. So, our exercise is question answers. So, how you do you remember what was the topic and what was happening in the chapter? So, let's take a short review. This chapter was about the ants, and who are discussing the ants? Two kids, Mary and Tom, and who told them about the ants is Mr. Uncle Jim. Who find out the answer? Yes, very good. The dog Spotty find out the answer. Then Uncle Jim told them that ants are very hardworking. They can carry loads or weights more than uh, 2 times greater than their own weight, and they mother hen lay egg. Sorry, mother hen. Sorry, mother ant lay eggs. Also, they um, when the eggs hatch, there comes out grubs. Grubs just eat at the whole time or all time, and after that they spin a coat of cocoon around them and go to sleep. While they were sleeping, they are their sisters, brothers and sisters who take care of them. Okay, so there are many types of ants: nurses, caretakers, soldiers, and defenders, seekers who find out food. And when the cocoon time is over, they come out. They stay for 3 months in the cocoon basically, and when the time is over, they come out as an ant. They kept a pet also. I told you, I have shown you the pet as well. So this was the chapter. So let's start our topic. Your exercise is answer these questions. Okay, we have completed 5, so we will start from question number 6. What comes out of the eggs? Our first question is, who lays eggs? I told you recently who the mother ant lays eggs. Who lays eggs? The mother ant lays eggs. The answer to this question will be mother ant lays eggs. What comes out of the eggs? What comes out from the eggs or of the eggs? I told you, when the mother ant lays eggs, other ants or nurse ants take care of the eggs. When the time of eggs about to hatch comes, little grubs come out of the eggs. So what was the color of the grubs? Yes, this I have showed you the picture also. What was the color? Yes, it was of white color. So what will be the correct answer? You will only write little white grubs. What you will write? Little white grubs come out of the eggs. Come out of the eggs. Little white grubs come out of the eggs. Now question number 8. How do grubs live? The grubs, when they hatch from the eggs, they are very smaller in size. So they eat and eat to grow. When the grubs grow enough, they spin a cord around them. I don't have picture over here, so that's why I can't show you. They spin a cord around themselves, and when the cords are finished, obviously it's not the time of 1 or 2 minutes. It takes time to spin the cord around the whole body. When the cords are finished, they stop eating and seems to go to sleep. So what will be the correct answer of these questions? The grubs grow and spin cords around themselves. When the cords are finished, they stop eating and seems to go to sleep. Now, question number 9. How long do they stay inside their cocoon? Obviously, beta, it takes time to change from grubs to a fully grown ant. So, the time of the grubs to become a fully grown ant is 3 months. Okay, so the correct answer for this question, they stay. You will start the answer from over here. They stay inside their cocoons. They stay inside their cocoons for 3 months. Or you can also say that they stay for 3 months inside their cocoons. Both are correct. Okay, so now that's question number 10. Tell the different ways in which ants help in the home. Ants help in the home. How they help in the home, I already explained you that they are soldiers, they are nurses, they are workers, they are seekers, they are caretakers. So they help in many different ways. So the answer of this question will be ants help as workers, soldiers and nurses at home. So that this was our topic for today. Hopefully it will be easy for you to write this. Kindly do this work in neat handwriting, complete your work, because there are chances when our school will reopen there will be monthly test or maybe your term test. So be careful and complete your work. If you have any missing work you can contact me, and whether you can also collect the notes from school branches also. Okay, so thank you so much for giving me your time. Take good care of yourself and everyone around us. Allah Hafiz.